Nigeria's economy expanded by 3.89% in real terms in the first quarter of 2026, despite a decline in crude oil production, according to new data released by the National Bureau of Statistics. The figure represents an improvement from the 3.13% growth recorded in the corresponding period of 2025, with the expansion largely driven by strong performances in agriculture, telecommunications, trade, financial services, construction, and manufacturing. The NBS said the non-oil sector remained the major driver of economic activity, contributing over 96% to the country's gross domestic product (GDP) during the quarter. According to the report, agriculture grew by 3.15%, industry expanded by 3.50%, while the service sector recorded a 4.31% growth rate and retained its position as the largest contributor to the economy. In nominal terms, Nigeria's GDP rose to 110.79 trillion naira in the first quarter of 2026 from 94.05 trillion naira recorded in the same period last year. Despite the overall economic growth, average daily crude oil production declined to 1.55 million barrels per day from 1.62 million barrels recorded in the first quarter of 2025. The report, however, noted that the oil sector still recorded a modest real growth of 2.57% year-on-year, although its contribution to the total GDP dropped slightly to 3.92%. The information and communications sector emerged as one of the strongest growth drivers, expanding by nearly 11%, while finance and insurance, construction, transportation, entertainment, and accommodation services also posted positive growth. However, the electricity sector contracted sharply by 15.3% during the quarter, while other services also recorded a decline. The latest GDP figures come amid recent concerns by the World Bank over Nigeria's growth outlook, with the institution revising the country's 2026 growth forecast downward due to global economic uncertainties and oil market volatility.